At least 4 persons have been killed after an all-progressive Congress primary election for House of Representatives and House of Assembly positions turned bloody in Igodo area of Lagos State. The incident occurred on Friday, May 27th at Igodo Ikotu and Moso Okunla Council Secretariat, which was the venue for the primary election. In a video shared online, some thugs with wielded weapons were seen facing each other before security operatives intervened. 2 of those killed have been identified as Soro Boxer and Ogunlaye.